being our age, I really wasn't sure what to expect, but I knew Ed and I both talked about the fact that we wanted to have a low maintenance, less responsibility, and a community. And we're just really happy that that's happened. It's been great. I think it's really exciting the fact that we were one of the first people, the first phase, if you will, to move in. And the people here, meeting the people, and just being a part of this community, formulating it, making it work. It's just been really exciting. So I'm excited about that. We'd been in our house for 35 years in another state, and when we moved here, we weren't sure what to expect. We knew we didn't want to move into a neighborhood where we would have a lot of maintenance and things to be responsible for. Cadence has provided us with a wonderful home and no maintenance, no yard maintenance, which has been a godsend for my husband and for me, because I used to do it because he didn't want to do it. And yeah, it's just nice to walk out every morning. I go to the head of the pool and know that I don't have to worry about anything. Everything's being taken care of for me. So that's good. That's a good thing.